Looking at homes and wondering, can I afford this? Let me introduce you to my new best friend, the loan calculator. It's a simple tool that helps you estimate your monthly mortgage payment, including principal, interest, taxes, and insurance. Just plug in a few numbers: home price, down payment, loan term, interest rate, and boom, you get an estimated monthly payment. Why use it, you may ask? It's going to help you to set a realistic budget, compare loan options, and plan ahead with confidence. Pro tip: don't forget to include property taxes and HOA fees. They can make a big difference. Take the guesswork out of home buying. Try our loan calculators today. Need help? Send me a message.